struts are prone to wear over time, which will affect your ability to stop, steer, and maintain stability. Struts are made up of many parts, including the shock tower, which is a structural part of vehicle body, the upper strut mount, a dust seal, the upper seal for the coil spring, a bushing or spacer, an upper rubber insulator, the spring bumper, the dust shield or boot, the coil spring, a lower rubber insulator, the lower spring seat, the strut assembly, a stabilizer link or sway bar link, and finally, the lower strut mount. The strut assembly has a piston rod inside the piston case. It is sealed on the upper end with a rod seal inside the rod guide. The lower end of the strut rod has a piston valve and a base valve with oil chambered between. There are two different kinds of strut assemblies. Straight oil-charged struts are charged with oil only, which can develop air bubbles inside known as aeration, which reduces the strut's ability to dampen impact. Gas and oil-charged struts use a compressed gas to pressurize the oil, which assists in preventing air bubbles in the oil. The struts are mounted in 3 points to the vehicle, at the lower strut mount onto the steering knuckle by way of a stabilizer link, and an upper mount through the vehicle body. If the upper strut mount doesn't move smoothly due to dirt and debris, worn parts, or an over-tightened strut mount nut, the steering wheel will not easily return to the center position after completing turn. Loose or worn mounting hardware can create a metallic clunking noise, and worn out or leaked out struts cause abnormal tire wear known as cupping.